in the country that I know. No money in what he used to grow. No, he don't care what people think. When a farmer turns into a hippie, times are hard in Mississippi.
All right, guys, here's Bill's snap-on KTL7023 with a bed liner top and the hutch. And we're gonna give y'all a little toolbox tour. I'm gonna let Bill have it and he's gonna show y'all all about it. Well, there's his hutch. Like I say, he just got this in last week. It's all brand new, super cool looking with pegs and stuff that you can put in here. It's got all kind of accessories and shelves and all that stuff. And he's got his light mounted up here in the top, and that's really cool. So let's get into the good stuff, Bill.
Top drawer, we got sockets, ratchets, extensions. This box does not have the little divider like the Matco box did, which it was like right in here, which I later found out it's not a divider, it's more of a support than anything. The supports on these drawers are on the bottom.
Let's talk about what all you got there.
I got impact sockets. I don't really have a lot of chrome anymore. I try to stay with my impact sockets because they're more versatile. I've got all my ratchets, 3/8 drive, 1/2 inch drive, 3/4 drive, speeder handles. I hadn't used one of those in years. Of course, you can't never have enough extensions.
Yeah, you got quite a few extensions in there.
And here we got the magnet tray from Snap-on. We got a bunch of different oddball sockets. That's the main reason why I wanted it. You can put everything on that one magnet. You don't have stuff rolling around in your drawer and all that kind of good stuff.
Top big drawer.
And this is one thing that I like versus the other box that I had, as all of my standard wrenches could fit in one drawer versus having 2 or 3 different drawers with stuff scattered out. Got everything in one drawer and boom, you can go right to it. This is all my standard wrenches.
This whole drawer is standard. Alright.
Next drawer down is going to be metric drawer, which is a little bare. And I've still got some wrenches at home I need to get up here and get everything organized.
You're a little weak on your metrics. I am too, though.
I don't like metric stuff. Got my pliers drawer. This drawer was originally, it's got holes all in the bottom of it, and it had little dividers you could put in here for keeping stuff organized. Well, I thought that was a waste of space, so I took all the dividers out and turned it into a pliers drawer. Air tools / power tools in this one. Guys, I'm going to tell you what, this 14.4 is an awesome little gun. It's an impact, 3/8 impact. I've got a little 1/4 inch driver for like your bits. Man, that's an awesome little gun.
All about obsolete with that air power stuff now, ain't it?
Everybody's going to battery power. We got hammers and a bunch of whatnot stuff in here.
Talk about your homemade hammers there.
This one, I don't know how much that head weighs, but that handle come out as an old kingpin out of a truck. I gave it to a guy and I told him, I said, weld that up for me, and boom, that's what you got. And it's pretty heavy. This is another homemade hammer. It had a wooden handle in it, and of course wood, you know what happens with them, and that's been a good one. I believe that come off of a weightlifting bar.
It's the best use for weightlifting stuff. Make a hammer out of it.
And over here we got this miscellaneous stuff. More drivers. We got nut drivers, screwdrivers, razor blades. This is a pretty cool box cutter right here. Snap on. Got the hinges out. You got some extra blades in here. It's a pretty cool little box cutter.
Pretty cool.
More screwdrivers, pick set.
There's the old duo sockets.
Missing an extension. I got one socket out. That's a good set right there.
Diesel said he agreed. He said that's a fine set.
Punches, pry bars. And everybody's got to have a junk drawer.
Everybody's got to have a junk drawer.
These are the actual dividers I was talking about earlier that come in that other drawer. They got a bunch of different combinations. You can put those in. This is the drawer a lot of guys like. You can hide your snap-on receipts underneath the cover, so when your wife comes up here and gets to going through your toolbox, they're kind of somewhat hid. Pipe wrenches. I'd like to know how old that one is. That's an antique. And more miscellaneous junk.
You gotta have a fishing court in your toolbox. You're not from the south unless you got a fishing court in your toolbox.
That's right.
Well, there it is, guys. There's Bill's super awesome toolbox. Extreme green 72-inch bedliner top and a hutch. Very nice box. Congratulations on that new purchase, Bill. Like always, guys, if you like this video, be sure to hit that thumbs up, subscribe down here below, and we will catch you guys next time. Y'all have a great one.